Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be looking at variables in Python. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, if you don't know what variables are, basically variables are how you store data in programming. Now let's get into how to make a variable in Python. Well, Python is different from most other languages in the way of making a variable. All you have to do is give the name. I'm going to say first underscore name as the name of my variable. I'm going to make it equal to positive. In most other languages, if you want to create a variable, you got to give an identifier behind it to tell the program what type of variable is it. Is it a number? Does it store a number? Does it store a sentence? Does it store a character? Does it store true or false? But you don't have to do that in Python. Now, what we can do is, since the sentence or the word positive has been stored in the variable first name, all we have to do is write print, and then instead of giving positive here, we just give simply first name. Now we save this and we run this. As you can see, it prints out positive. Now, one more thing to note before I end this video: in Python, variables are dynamic, meaning you can change the type at any time. So as you can see right now, I've already said that the type is going to be a string. But let's suppose I want it to now be a number, right? So what I can do is I can make first name into 10, and it's going to work perfectly. Watch this. If I run the program again, as you can see, the value is 10. So that will be all for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.